In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can sign up for Remitly. You can go to remitly.com or you can use my referral link in the description of this video. When you use the referral link in the description, you receive $10 when you send your first $100 or more. So once you're on the website, you're going to select your country that you're sending from, right? Then you select the country that you're sending to, let's say India. Then you select get started. Once you create your account, you can go ahead and also download the mobile app. You can also sign up from the mobile app, right? Now go ahead and hit sign up. Here you're going to provide your email address and a password, or you could just continue with Google or Apple, right? So I'm just going to select sign up to continue. I'll be saving the password. And that's basically it for signing up for Remitly transfer. You can go ahead and download the mobile app and sign in with your account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.